Hello world! On pop culture news, Giselle Bonchen is sharing a rare glimpse inside her life with husband Joaquin Valiente following their end-of-year nuptials. The newlywed supermodel shared a New Year's Eve photo gallery on Instagram that featured never-before-seen photos of her life with Joaquin, their nearly one-year-old baby, and her two older children, 16 years old Benjamin, 13 years old Vivian, whom she shares with ex-husband Tom Brady. As 2025 comes to an end, my heart is full, the mother of three wrote in caption. This year brought deep lessons and profound growth. Becoming a mother again reshaped everything. My time, my priorities, my heart. I'm grateful for this sacred moment that changed me in ways word cannot fully hold. Thank you 2025. I step into this new year with gratitude, love, and trust for that's next. Gladly day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.